Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Malomi Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The Malomi Camping Mess Kit is my favorite one-person mess kit. Camping or backpacking solo becomes convenient when you carry this small mess kit with utensils that are the perfect size to meet all of your cooking requirements. This mess kit includes one pot, a pot cover, a frying pan, a handle, 2 bowls, a cleaning loofah, a soup spoon and a stainless steel spork. The cookware is made using anodized aluminum that heats up evenly and survives regular rough usage without getting burned or leaving black stains. The stainless steel sporks are far more reliable than the flimsy plastic ones that you get with most kits. The other element of this kit that is particularly impressive is the handle. It is sturdy and does not heat up with the pot or the pan, thus preventing accidental hand burns. The entire 10-piece mess kit collapses into small bundle for easy control and storage. Keep it all clean, keep it convenient. Our second best camping mess kits is Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. The Stanley Cook Kit is perfect for outdoor cooking for hot meals, coffee, or boiling water. Our cooking pots come with a vented top to let steam escape or strain liquid. This is a great survival supplies gift too. It designed the handle to provide maximum comfort and stability while it's on the stove. The locking handle extends for stable cooking but folds over the lid to save space with the rest of your gear. The kettle or coffee maker is constructed with 18/8 stainless steel and features 2 insulated portable 10 ounces / 295 milliliters tumblers to enjoy hot and cold beverages. The entire kit is made with BPA-free materials. The stovetop mess kit with cups loaded weighs 13.9 ounces and empty it's only 7.8 ounces, which makes it travel and backpack friendly. The kettle has graduated marks going up to 20 ounces. Third in our list is UCO 6-piece camping mess kit. The UCO 6-piece camping mess kit includes a plate, bowl, camp cup, and switch spork utensil. Ideal for camping, backpacking, scouting, picnics, and meals on the go. It also features a bungee tether for securing the kit and its contents. Both the bowl and the plate have rubberized grips on the bottom to ensure that they stay put while eating. The contours of the spork are curved to match the inside of the bowl and plate to make it easy to get every last crumb or drop of soup. For transport, the camp cup nests inside the bowl and plate, which connect with an airtight seal. The stretch tether secures the spork to the kit. The UCO 6-piece camping mess kit measures 8 by 8 by 3 inches, weighs 0.7 pounds, and is BPA and phthalate free. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Manufacturer's limited lifetime. Founded in Redmond, WA in 1971, UCO brings a long history of innovation and manufacturing expertise to the outdoor industry, and has become one of the leading brands in lighting and fire starting for outdoor, home, and emergency preparedness needs. Each product is designed with thoughtful features to make time outside safer and more comfortable. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best camping mess kits list is UCO 4-piece camping mess kit. The ultimate piece of camping cutlery, the spork features a spoon on one end and a fork with a serrated knife edge on the other, made from durable reinforced glass nylon. Camping plate and bowl form an airtight seal when connected. Included tether keeps any contents safely contained and secures the spork to the rest of the backpacking cooking set. Made for backpacking, scouting, and on-the-go meals, this camping cooking set includes a plate, bowl, 3-in-1 spork, and tether. Camping plate and bowl feature specialized rubberized bottoms that grip the tabletop and prevent slippage while eating. The perfect camping essentials for tenting, backpacking, and traveling. Our camping dishes and camping utensils are phthalate-free, dishwasher and microwave safe. Our last pick is Stansport Deluxe Enamel Tableware Set. If you have an integrated stove system, a stove that comes with a pot, you only need a mess kit that contains bowls and utensils. Hence, the Stansport Deluxe 24-piece Enamel Tableware Set Mess Kit is an ideal plastic mess kit for you. The bowls are deep enough to hold a sufficient amount of food. The mugs are shaped innovatively to give a better feel when drinking through the sip hole and keep liquids hot. The material of the mug is also layered to keep your hands safe from burning. You will also find neat graduations on the mugs to help you measure your quantities when preparing your beverages. High-quality durable 24-piece steel tableware set with blue enamel finish. Place settings for 4 with brilliant stainless steel edges, lightweight and compact. Double-coated blue glazed enamel for unparalleled durability. Ideal for family camping, recreational vehicles or home use.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!